What's up, everybody? So I want y'all to get a glimpse of where I work out of. I'm currently working out of Capello inside of one of their rooms back here. And this place is located in McAllen off of 8th Street and Pecan. So if you follow me, I'll show you what my office looks like currently. As you can see there, this is where I make it happen. And I utilize dermatome maps, myotome maps, fairly familiar with the anatomical structure of the body, how the nerves correspond to certain areas that are contributing to people dealing with certain dysfunctions that are limiting their range of motion or their everyday activity. And I utilize science-based techniques so I can help my clients be able to go about their lives in a more efficient and less painful manner. That way they can go about and carry on any function without really experiencing those limitations that is created by the signal of pain. So if you feel like you could benefit from trying medical massage or function range release, or just want to get a different feel of what a massage is or isn't, and maybe even heighten the benefits of what you're already experiencing, you kind of feel like maybe massage isn't really delivering. What I do is a little bit on the spectrum of understanding what's creating the pain, the dysfunction, so that we can kind of backtrack and figure out what maybe needs to be incorporated or understood so that you can start addressing some of those dysfunctions that will enable you to kind of create a little bit of more capacity within those limbs or ranges of motion that will allow you to go that extra step to where you can also try to rewind the clock and help propagate healthier change within those areas that are creating those limitations, that are creating that problem that obviously is still a nagging problem that is not enabling you to live a satisfactory life. So if you like this video and you feel like somebody could benefit from coming in for a medical massage or functional range release, or just a regular classic for people that are looking to maybe overcome some of the anxiety or depression, the thing with that is our bodies are kind of unbalanced on the sympathetic and parasympathetic state. So we're able to help guide the nervous system to reorient itself so that it goes from like one of those heightened frequency states down to a more lower stable state where the body is able to finally get the rest that it needs. And once the session is over, they can see the benefit of being in a homeostasis and then kind of taking that on with them to where they can finally get a good night's rest, and then maybe implement a strategy to where a more long-term consistent effort from their part, understanding what needs to take place, especially benefiting from being able to live their life after having a good night's rest can go a long ways. After not being able to get a good night's rest or having those symptoms of anxiety or depression, and it's kind of like getting that life back, getting that life back inside of them, and they're able to smile, they're able to go back to their families and really deliver for them just as much as they really wanted to, but they weren't able to because of those limitations present. So thank you for watching. Again, my name is JC Saenz, and my website is jcsaenz.massagetherapy.com. I do have a new website coming up. That's the one I was about to mention, but stay tuned. It's in the works. Hopefully by April, early to middle of April, we should have the new website up and running. Thank you for watching.